Look at all that black, pretty black dirt. If you watched my last gardening video, all that wasn't there a few days ago. Let me show you where I got all that from. So here it is. Here they are. Got all these old produce trays. I have not messed with them since last fall. Now I've thrown a few Dr. Pepper boxes and stuff just over here before I got my shredder, so they've been out here a while. Don't really know what to expect, but there are worms all over here. Just all over the place. There's some straw I had from last year. I put straw in the garden. A few slugs. Some little worms. Almost look like red wigglers. I'm gonna say they are red wigglers. Got that little yellow tail. Say that's just a earthworm. I'll start out by getting all the cardboard I can off. Just dumping it in. Just gonna throw all the wood and that's strips that are in Dr. Pepper cases to help them stay sturdy, little plastic strips, so they won't compose. Nice looking worm. Number 2. Where I'm trying to get away. A fast joker. Here's a good size one. That joker. That thing's a good 10 inches long. It's not even stretched out. Almost as big around as my pinky. And number 3. One was just on top. And I'm sure I could dig through there, but it's still got some grass and stuff to break down. And this is underneath. Look at all them worm tunnels. There's one right there. But you can tell, I mean, they've had free range to go in and out. So I've got them all. Well, I had this straw, throw it in there for them to hide in. So there we go. I mean, there's a good handful of nice size night crawlers, or earthworms as I call them. Some good ones in there. Some big ones. And some small ones. They could have left whenever they wanted to. They had all winter, most of fall, all winter. And here it is, the third week of May. They could have left whenever they wanted to. So between the worms and the other critters that get in there and help compost, and just natural composting, we got some pretty dirt. Please hit that thumbs up, leave me a comment. Until next time, have a great day.